Hello and welcome to another video with me, Jamie Balfour. This is Geek in the Hat Tech, and we're going to be looking at HTML and specifically how to view a web page that you've created. And this is part of a series of tutorials that I'm doing. And this lesson, as I say, is specifically focused on how you preview a web page that you made. Now, if you haven't watched the first one, watch the first one, so you can understand what we're going to be doing or what we're using so that you can move on to do this part. So in the last one, we used Visual Studio Code. Now you've got a choice of different platforms, but I'm going to be using Visual Studio Code as my IDE for this part of the course. So let's just jump into it. So to start with, Visual Studio Code. So this is our code that we wrote last time. Now it's fairly straightforward to preview, but before I do that, I'd like to just walk through what we've got here. So we've got a title tag. Okay, it says my personal web page. This is really important because we're going to spot this in a wee minute. Okay, the next bit is a H1. Okay, that's the next thing. That's the big text up at the top that says my first web page. Then we have a paragraph. We have a UL, an OL, a link, and an image. Okay, so to preview our web page, what we're going to do is go up to the top here. Okay, right click, reveal in File Explorer. Okay, click. Okay, and then we get a Windows Explorer window. So we're going to just double click on this file that we've saved. Okay, double clicking should automatically open it in our web browser. Okay, it's as simple as that with Visual Studio Code, and that's great because you'll be doing this so often while you're building a web page, going back to your web page and refreshing it more than anything. But when you're done for the day, you close everything down, you open Visual Studio Code the next day. To preview it again, just right click at the top and it opens the Explorer to the right folder and you can look at your web page. Now, having a little look at the web page, what we have here, okay, at the top, we have the big text that said my first web page, and that itself is a H1. Okay, now you might not be able to have seen it too much, okay, but these are, I'll take that one out, these are the actual title tag, so they appear in the tab of the page, okay, so that's what that does. We've got our paragraph. We've also got something I didn't really touch on just there, but if you look at the previous lesson, we added in a break. Okay, so we've got a BR tag, a break there. And then if we go back to the page again, okay, so we've got our UL, okay, and then we've got our OL. You could tell because, as I said in the last lesson, a UL uses bullets for each of the LIs, and an OL uses numbers. Okay, you can also see a link. To prove that the link works, we can hover over. Okay, and down the bottom you can see it says https://www.jamiebalfour.scot. Then what's this? Uh-oh. So this means that the image hasn't loaded correctly. Okay, now let's go back to Visual Studio Code. Okay, so Visual Studio Code quickly. Okay, now we can see that we have this alt tag, okay, this alt attribute, and it says me. So when we looked at the page, we saw that it said me and it had the wee broken image. Now the problem is this file, this image1.jpg, is not in the same folder as this web page. Okay, so that means it's broken, it doesn't work. So it's showing our alt tag, which in this case is actually what I wanted to see. Okay, but what we need to do to fix it is just put an image in that same folder, and that fixes it. Okay, and that's actually it for today's lesson. Very straightforward. Okay, it's just about previewing that web page, and I think we've done that very well. So that's it from this video. Thank you for watching. Give me a sub or a like if you like this video. All right, until the next one, cheers and goodbye.